And a big thumbs up to you all, cruisers. We welcome you to another cruise news update as we look to proceed further with another 3 new major stories brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Here's an interesting one, cruisers. As of March 24th, thousands of passengers sailing with Royal Caribbean, especially on ships like Star of the Seas in the Caribbean, are getting absolutely spammed with welcome emails. Now we're talking non-stop daily blasts since February, even for trips booked back in December last year and paid off last month in February. The same message, no updates, nothing new, not very welcome at all. People are checking their bookings thinking, did something change? Well, no, it's just a glitch, most probably. Though some think it's a sneaky marketing push. Either way, this is less welcome aboard and more, please make it stop. Okay, cruisers, now you better buckle up as this is big cruise news. Over in Germany at the Meyer-Werft shipyard, they just dropped a massive engine into the Carnival festival during the weekend of March 21st, and yes, in cruising terms, that's a huge deal. This thing is set to launch in May 2027, sailing out of Port Canaveral. It's powered by cleaner LNG fuel, can accommodate up to 6,600 guests, and employs 1,735 crew members. Construction kicked off in April 8th last year and it's moving fast. So mark it in your calendars, if you will, as May the 2nd, 2027 from Southampton is the big day, then straight to the Caribbean. This beauty is basically a next level floating city. On March 24th, Carnival Cruise Line just pulled a major switch for Alaska. After that insane landslide and tsunami on August 10th last year near South Sawyer Glacier, Tracy Arm Fjord is basically too dangerous with unstable ice and shifting grounds. So unfortunately, all gone from 2026 Alaska itineraries. Instead, ships are heading to Endicott Arm, about 50 miles south of Juneau in Alaska, entering through Holcomb Bay. It's the same vibe, but far safer. Now we're talking epic glacier views, especially Dawes Glacier. This hits sailing from April 27th to September 17th out of Seattle in Washington and San Francisco. 3 ships, Luminosa, Spirit, Miracle, are all affected. Nature said not today, and Carnival, in their wisdom, listened. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.